Hello students, good afternoon to all of you. Today we are starting the chapter trigonometry again, and that is of class 10, and today's class, that is of exercise 8.4. In today's class we are taking the question number 5th part, that is very important to you. Question number 5th has 10 parts and 10 questions are very important for you. So I am taking the few questions, so please see very carefully the question number 5th third portion. The question is tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So either we will convert LHS into RHS or RHS into LHS. So let I am taking LHS. So on taking LHS, we get, after taking LHS, let I have taken LHS. So if I am observing the tan theta, cot theta, tan theta, first of all we will convert the tan theta and cot theta, sec and cosec in any questions also. We will convert in the form of sine and cos. So tan theta is written as sin theta upon cos theta upon 1 minus cot theta is written as cos theta upon sin theta plus cot theta is written as cos theta upon sin theta upon 1 minus tan theta is written as sin theta upon cos theta. You know very well that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Now students, sin theta upon cos theta and 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. So the 1 and sin theta, that is sin theta 1 is sin theta. So it will be 1 is cancelled with 1. So it will be 1 minus sin to sin cancel, and it is sin theta 1 is sin theta, and it is 1 is 1 sin theta. That is sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta sin theta 1 is sin theta sin 1 is 1 sin theta minus cos theta. Okay students, now the second thing is cos theta upon sin theta upon 1 upon 1 and cos theta. The LCM is cos theta, 1 से 1 cancel, that is cos theta minus sin theta. Now students, sin theta will go on the upper part. Now it will be sin theta into sin theta, means the multiply is done like this. We will multiply this and this and this and this. Now it will be multiplied with this and that will be that. Sin theta into sin theta, that is sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta upon sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now after it all, sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus, because we will convert these signs. Now cos square theta upon sin theta into, we have changed the sign and we will change these numbers also. So it will be sin theta minus cos theta. Now here it is 1 upon sin theta is common. 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta is common. Now here it will be sin square theta upon cos theta minus cos square theta upon sin theta. After it all, 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta. Cos theta and sin theta, the LCM is cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta is cancelled with cos theta, so sin theta, that is sin cube theta minus sin theta is cancelled with sin theta, then cos square theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta. So it will be cos cube theta. Okay students, now I am taking that question that side and forwarding now. So see all of you. Yes. 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta upon, here you know very well that here it is written sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. You know very well that aq minus bq, that is the form of aq minus bq. aq minus bq is a minus b. First of all, that is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab, means a square plus b square plus ab, and here it is cos theta into sin theta. Now that is cancelled with that thing. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta upon cos theta into sin theta is written as sin theta into cos theta. Now 1 upon sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta, that is cancelled, and 1 upon sin theta is, so first of all we will write that thing is cancelled with that thing, so we will write thing is 1 first, and then 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta, and 1 upon cosec theta and 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. So that is proved. Now that is hence proved. That is completed. Now here it is 1 plus cosec theta and dot sec theta. It was proved by in your book also, that is written in the RHS 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Now again I am taking the next question. Yes, here are few questions. You can see very important questions are also there. Like there is a question number fifth part. That is very logical question and very important question also. So that is written here cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Yes. And in the hint it is given to us, use the identity 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. So first of all, let on taking LHS, let I am taking LHS and we will prove RHS. So we will take on taking LHS, we get cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin of A minus 1. Okay students, we will take a hint from here. We have to prove that cosec A and cot A, and we know very well that cosec A is 1 upon sin A and cot A is cos A upon sin A, means sin A is always in the denominator. So we will divide the whole equation, or we can say the numerator and denominator by sin A. So on dividing by sin A on both sides, we get cos A minus sin A plus 1. Cos A is divided by sin A minus sin A plus 1 upon sin A, and the last thing is cos A upon also sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin cos A upon sin A is written as cot A, that is cot of A, minus sin A upon sin A, that is 1, that sin A is cancelled to that sin A, plus 1 upon sin A, that is cosine A. After it all, cos A upon sin A, that is cot A, plus sin A is cancelled with sin A, that is 1, minus 1 upon sin A, that is cosine A. So the answer will be cot A minus 1 plus cosine A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosine A. Now we can write it as cot A plus 1 minus cosine A. Cot A plus 1 minus cosine A, and cot A plus 1 minus cosine A is also there. Cot A plus 1 minus cosine A. So we can see that cot A plus we have taken minus because minus is there. We have taken minus common, then minus will convert into plus and plus will convert into minus. So it will be cot A minus 1 minus cosec A, and here it is simply cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So we will change the sign of this. So after changing the sign of this, we will multiply both on the numerator and the denominator. So it will be cot A plus minus 1 minus cosec A. Cot A minus 1 minus cosec A. Now here it is cot A minus B and A minus B. That is A minus B into A minus B, that is A minus B का whole square. Cot A minus 1 minus cosec A का whole square, and that is A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. So here it is A plus B, that is A and that is B, and that is A and that is B. So A plus B into A minus B, cot A, that is A square minus 1 minus cosec A का whole square. Finally it is A minus B का whole square, and A minus B square is written as A square, that is cot square A, plus B square, A square plus B square minus 2AB minus first of all cot square A, and then A square plus B square minus 2AB minus 2 into 1 into cosec A, 2 cosec A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2 into, we will opening this also and that also. We are opening that part in the form of A minus B whole square, and we will open this portion also as a A minus B whole square. So we will put A minus B square in this and this one also. So the last thing is 2 cot A into 1 minus cosec A, and at the last cot A square minus this. So first of all we will write, now here it will be cot square A plus 1 square A plus cosec square A minus 2 cosec A minus 2 cot A into 1 minus cosec A, in upon we will take cot A का whole square minus 1 upon 1 minus cosec A का whole square. It is written as cot square A, cot A का whole square is written as cot square A minus in bracket A minus B का whole square, that is A square plus B square minus 2 into 1 plus cot square a, you know very well that 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. So it will be written as cosec square a plus cosec square a, and we will write that thing here plus 2 cot a into that thing we have written here 2 cot a into cosec a minus 2 cosec a minus 2 cot a. Okay student, because of space I have written in the downward side. Now in the numerator of that part, that is cot square a minus 1 plus cosec square a and minus 2 cosec a. Now here it is 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a upon, so here it is cot square a plus cosec square a minus 1 minus 2 cosec a. So here it is 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a, and see 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a, and cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. So we can write cosec square a and cot square a in place of, we will write minus 1 and it is also minus 1, that is minus 2 cosec a. Now here it is cosec square a, that is 2 cosec square a, and 2 cosec a will be common, and here it will come cosec a plus cot a minus, we will take 2 common from this side, that is plus cosec a plus cot a. Now in the downward side it will be minus 2 cosec a. So it will be 2 cosec a plus cot a is a common term, and it will be 2 cosec a minus 2. In the downward side 2 cosec a minus 2 is written as like this, so it will be cancelled with this one. So the last thing is cosec a plus cot a. That is the final answer, hence. Okay students, that is the answer. Okay.